If your MRI says disc bulge, don't panic. First, breathe. Because I want you to understand something very clearly. A disc bulge does not mean your spine is broken. It does not mean it is slipping out. It does not mean surgery is waiting for you. Most people misunderstand this word. Let me explain it simply. Between every two bones in your spine, there is a cushion. That cushion is called a disc. Over time, with sitting, bending, lifting, stress, that disc can slightly expand outward. Slightly. That is called a bulge. Not burst, not collapse, not damage, just a small shape change. And here is something very important. Studies published in journals like the New England Journal of Medicine show that many people without any back pain at all also have disc bulges on MRI. No pain, normal life. Same finding. So, pain is not only about structure, pain is about sensitivity. Your nervous system decides how much pain you feel. When you see the word bulge, fear increases, muscles tighten, breathing becomes shallow, you start moving carefully, and slowly your body becomes more sensitive. The pain feels bigger, not because the disc suddenly worsened, but because your system is on alert. This is very common in India. Someone does an MRI for mild pain, report shows disc bulge, immediately relatives say, be careful, don't bend, don't lift. And from that day, confidence reduces. Listen carefully. Your spine is strong. It is designed to bend, designed to lift, designed to move. If bending was dangerous, children would never learn to walk. The problem is not movement. The problem is loss of capacity. When you stop moving completely, muscles weaken, tolerance reduces, pain triggers faster. But when you gradually rebuild strength, when you breathe properly, when you expose your spine slowly to bending again, your nervous system calms down. And when it feels safe, pain reduces. Now, very important, if someone has severe leg weakness, loss of bladder control, rapid worsening numbness, that needs urgent medical evaluation. But majority of disc bulges, they are age-related adaptations, like gray hair, common, not dangerous. So instead of asking how do I fix my disc, ask how do I improve my spinal capacity. Capacity is the key. Strength, mobility, breathing control, gradual loading. This is exactly what we focus on in Mobility Matters. Not fear, not over rest, not avoiding life. We build resilient spines because MRI shows structure, but recovery depends on behavior. Remember this line, you are not your MRI report. Disc bulge is common, fear is optional, confidence is trainable, and your spine is much stronger than you think. If this helped you understand your report better, save it. Share it with someone scared of their MRI. Because sometimes correct understanding itself is the first treatment.